here at Lake Hotel. Yung hotel na to ay yung pinakagitna na bago mag-fork ng papuntang Mahogany and yung mismo Tagaytay na Cebu area. So we are here at Al Dente by the lake. It's their restaurant located dito sa mismong lobby area lang. Tapos we are trying their food. So meron sila mga appetizer, salad, soup, pizza, pasta, main dish, main course, dessert, and a lot more. But the best thing here is merong Eatigo 50% discount. Effective today lang actually, no? Kasi kakakita ko lang sa Eatigo ngayong araw. So if you're planning to go here sa Tagaytay, you can check them out. Kasi masarap yung food nila eh. We've already eaten here before pandemic pa. And okay yung pagkain nila. Right now, nandito na sa lobby area yung kanilang restaurant, but it used to be in front, diba? Yeah, o kaya lang yun nasa unahan kasi ngayon is Contis na. So, if you wanna check out Contis dito sa Tagaytay, may available branch na sila dito mismo sa Lake Hotel. So, mamaya titignan natin yung kanilang mga available rooms, which is for couple and for family. So, for the meantime, tignan muna natin yung mga menu. They have appetizer, salad, soup. They also have pizza, pasta, mains, gourmet sandwich. Ito. So, lechon, crispy pata, bulalo. So, may enjoy yung 50% discount because, like for example, the bulalo is $9.50. So, magkano yun? $4.75. Ang galing-galing ko talaga sa math. At mga dessert. They also have drinks. Mga wine pala yan. Ito mo, beverages.
Lake Hotel po. My name is Alex. Hello po.
So, nag-recommend siya ng bestseller dito sa Al Dente restaurant nila. Ano yung
Yes po.
bestseller nila?
When it comes to vegetables po, our pinakbet po. This one is served with lechong kawali po. Very popular here po. And the portion is very generous po. It's good to 2 to 3 person po.
Lahat ng mga ano ninyo, main course is
Filipino dish, yes ma'am. Good for 2 to 3 person. Good for sharing.
Sige.
Yes ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome po.
Okay. 50% discount for one-time order. So, dapat kung order kayo, you have to make sure i-maximize nyo na kasi the succeeding second order or mga orders, regular price na. And of course, hindi kasama daw ang dessert at drinks. So, ayun. We're trying their caramel macchiato. Sarap. Parang may hazelnut ano siya. Parang gusto ko ng popcorn mamaya. Oh. Alam mo guys, grabe. Simula nung nagstay kami dito. 2 weeks na, dami naming go-to. Everyday kami nag-go. Every hour. Masarap kumain pag malamig ang panahon. So guys, dahil sa taas merong Contis. So ang dessert natin ay charin! Mango brown! Laki. 275 per slice. Dami na available na ano. Harap. Siyempre meron din tayo sa Central Valley.
syempre, pengi yan.
Favorite nga pala ni Kambal ko.
Oh.
Naalala ko kasi yung dulo.
Now?
Dulo.
Huh?
They have contests here. So everyone's, for those who are craving for contests, they have it here at Lake Hotel.
With rice shell.
Ano?
Ikaw, malambot. Ito, wala ito.
This one has its own living room, ma'am, separated with the bedroom. It has
okay.
one queen size bed, one king size bed, and 180-degree view of the lake, ma'am.
Oh, CR or ito lang yung CR for the entire?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
One CR lang po.
Is this ilaw? Ay, saan
Check
yun?
ko lang ma'am yung TV.
Okay. For the... So they have, of course, yung kanilang... And then may Nespresso or ano? Nespresso
Yes, ma'am.
machine.
Espresso machine.
And then TV, of course, the cabinet. With bathrobes. With safe, laundry bag, and slippers. Ay, sorry. This is the
ma'am,
view.
dito po kayo magano, para center po siya, ma'am.
Yeah, ang ganda.
And this one, ma'am, yung
Ay, sorry, they have the light for the CR.
Ay, yes,
Hindi
ma'am.
nag-open eh. Ay,
Inactivate ko lang po yung keyguard, ma'am.
okay, salamat. Okay, let's check the CR first. Maybe they. Complete toiletries, of course. And then blower. Blow dry. Okay. So we are going to check the...
Yun ko lang po yung
Thank you. Okay. Automatic curtain. Ganda. Is it open? Thank you. Ay, ang nice.
Yung ano niya, ma'am. Special features niya nga, ma'am, yung
Oo nga.
180-degree view ng lake, ma'am.
For the 1BR lang.
Yes, ma'am. Meron din po sa baba yung junior suite, ma'am. Kaya nga lang sa ngayon, ma'am, is ano po siya, occupied po.
And then, ayun yung ano, Sky Ranch. Ay, saan ba? Wala. Oh,
Ayun po, ma'am.
yeah, oo. At the back of ano. Ito lang pala yung dito, no? Ako na. So,
And
this is
those
her
rooms naman, ma'am,
balcony.
ayan po, meron ding one bedroom suite doon. Yun po yung mga bagong renovate, ma'am. Glass na po yung kanyang mismong
Rails.
railings.
Oo. Okay, this one is how much?
This one is 16,000, ma'am.
Overnight.
Opo, ma'am.
With
And
breakfast
daily
or...
With the 2 breakfast buffet po.
Okay. So, with kids, plus kids ito or...
Yes, ma'am. 2 adults and 2 kids mo can accommodate the room.
Mm-mm.
Any exceeding adults, ma'am, that's 1-2 per head na po, ma'am.
Okay.
Including na po ang extra bed niya. This one, ma'am, na-extra bed din po itong ating
So, sofa bed. Okay.
This one, can accommodate naman mga 2 adults, ma'am. Pwede po
Okay.
silang magtabi po.
Okay. So, Netflix? YouTube, wala?
Yes, ma'am. Netflix, ma'am.
Oh,
Dito sa suite
nice!
room po.
Dito sa suite room.
Mm.
Okay, so this is the 1BR
Beds.
bedroom suite here at Lake Hotel. Nice. Let's check the other one.
Bukas siya. Pinindot ko lang dito.
Ang galing.
The next one, ma'am, is nasa 3rd floor naman po.
Okay, let's go there.
Okay, i-check din, ma'am. Kasi po, madalas doon po ito naturo. And this one, ma'am, is deluxe room. This one is a queen size and single bed.
Uy!
Tapos bathtub, ma'am. And this one is facing the garden, ma'am, and mountains.
May balcony din, ano?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah, okay.
Careful lang po, ma'am. Medyo basa po yung balcony.
Salamat. Ay, hindi na ako lalabas pa rin niya. Ilang floors kayo?
We have 3 floors, ma'am. Meron po itong ground floor, ma'am. Yung kapantay po ng lobby where you dine po. Yun po yung 2nd floor. Then meron pa pong ground floor, ma'am. Baba pa po nito, ma'am, ng garden.
Okay. Sige. So, this one, complete amenities naman din. Pero ang galing, oh. May extra bed.
Ito ma'am po yung setup niya. 1 queen, 1 single bed.
Okay. Then, let's check.
Same din po, toddlers and 2 kids. Yung pag nag-exceed yung adult natin, ma'am, that would be additional na 1,200. Including na rin yung extra bed nila kung gusto nyo mo magpa-setup. Para po...
How much is this per night?
8,000 na per night.
Okay.
Natin, ma'am. Then meron tayo, ma'am, na promo rin until August. Ngayon, ma'am, available pa rin yung promo namin na 40% discount.
Magkano na lang?
This one, ma'am, is around kung 8,000 na. 40% mga
So,
around
mga
ano na lang po.
5
Yes, ma'am.
something.
5 or 6 something.
Okay. Is it applicable sa lahat ng room o
Yes,
yung 40%?
ma'am, applicable
Talaga?
po.
Hanggang kailan yan?
Until August, ma'am. This August po. Yun po. Until August, 31, ma'am.
Okay. Sige, at least para malaman ng mga magbubook. How can they book pala? Directly dapat?
Yes, ma'am.
Dito sa...
Available for ni direct booking.
So, ma-avail lang nila yung 40% pag direct booking?
Aba, ma'am.
Okay. Sige.
And through online naman din, ma'am. Possible din naman po. Basta yung sa website tayo magbubook. Website
Okay.
ng The Lake Hotel, ma'am.
Okay.
So yung reservation din namin, ma'am, may makakausap.
Sige. Check ko lang ang CR. Oh, may bathtub. The other one, wala, no? So, this one is their CR. Complete toiletries, of course. Ayan. So, may connect. May nabababa naman, ayan. May blinds for the, Ayan. Ang bango. May fresh.
This one siguro po din na kalinis lang din po ng ating room.
By the way, what time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in time, ma'am, is 3 p.m. Then check-out time is 12 noon po.
Okay. Sige. Thank you, Don, for
I'm Don po,
assisting.
ma'am.
Oo, salamat.
Salamat din
Okay. Ano nga pala yung mga amenities ninyo?
Amenities natin, ma'am, meron tayong ayan, ma'am, like this one, playroom for the kids, game room for the adults po.
Okay.
Yung game room nga lang, naka-separate po. With the
Playroom for the
area
kids.
naman.
Okay.
For kids. Game room
May
natin, ma'am.
bayad ba ito or
This is free, ma'am.
free? Okay.
As
Sige.
long as naka-check-in po, ayun po, pwede po gamitin from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Okay, 7 to 8. Okay, and then...
Ayan po, the rest namin ito.
Ay, ang
naman yung
nice
mga
nito.
rooms with the view, ma'am. This one, ma'am, we use it for venue ng breakfast po. Every
Okay.
morning po.
Magkano ang breakfast buffet ninyo?
For walk-ins, ma'am, we have 799 po. For adults, 399 po for kids. Dito po yung setup niya. Actually, pag naka-check-in po dito po, dito po yung kumakain sa breakfast.
What time ang breakfast?
6:30 to 10 a.m. po, ma'am.
Okay.
This one, ma'am, is outdoor.
Oh,
Sige po.
thank you. Oo nga, naalala ko to. Actually, nakapag-check-in na kami dati dito before pandemic.
Ayan,
So,
ma'am.
this is the
This one is outdoor pool, ma'am.
Outdoor pool.
4 feet po yung center. Dalawang side po ng pool is 3 feet po.
Okay. This is open until what time?
Until 8 p.m. po, ma'am. 7 a.m. to 8 p.m. po.
Ayun. So, salamat Don ha for
Opo,
assisting me.
welcome
Hi guys, so we are here at Lake Hotel at ito ang kanilang infinity pool which is located at the lower ground floor. And of course, you have seen all the rooms kanina. So if you're interested to book, you can book the 40% discount sa kanilang website. And of course, you can also use Klook as a booking portal. Just don't forget to type our promo code. It's EPLT Klook. That's our new promo code. EPLT Klook to avail 5% discount on hotel and activities here in Tagaytay. And of course, you can use that 5 times. So, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye!